think it looks kind of demonic here.
Ew, it's a bed.
Beth.
No.
Retard.
No.
Retard.
No. No. No.
What am I?
No. You are Bethany. What is wrong with this computer?
Why don't you ever do anything for me?
Because I don't want to. I want to ride my bicycle. I want to ride my bicycle.
Why do you have so many spoons?
Ask Bonnie. Oh yeah.
And she spewed cake all over my face. Did you know how scary it was to like look up? You had this face like you were thinking very intently, and then all of a sudden all of this shit came out of your mouth towards my face, and I was like, oh god! Pink and white shit.
It's a good cake. It's Jello cake.
Is that yours? It came out of your mouth.
No, I didn't. That did not come out of my mouth.
I don't want to eat it. It probably has your chunks in it.
No, it's really good. I sprayed upwards.
I had 2 bites.
You didn't
Yeah, upwards towards my face. What goes up must come down. Oh my god, that was an animal?
It was alive once. It was.
What kind of animal made that? A bear?
I think it was a goat. Or a sheep.
That's a really big goat sheep thing. I'm pretty badass right now. Yes. I hit the wrong thing. Woo! Where are we going?
We're going to the creek.
We're going to the creek. I did not realize that my hat says 24/7 American on it.
It does.
It does? 24/7 American. I guess I'm not Russia anymore.
You're apparently
I guess not. Yeah, I'm America. Oh, what is that? I am documenting
Oh my goodness, there's more!
Ah! They're all over this tree. Can I poke it?
One's hanging.
With a stick? It's like a disease. Oh, that one's like jelly. That's awesome. Oh, they can see it. It's an inchworm. Oh.
Did it hit the creek?
Yes, this is the creek. Once again, look at how short Danielle is.
Shut up.
Nika!
Darn, there's not any. There's edible mushrooms down here.
How do you know they're edible?
Well, we take it back up to Worsham. Because Dad and Bonnie have found some. She was wanting to climb it, she won't go all the way up. Nika, come on.
Beth is going to save the cats.
Shut up, I shouldn't have given you that. You're nice.
It's your camera, you don't have to use it. Doesn't Beth look cool in her outfit to go? What was that? Oh my god! What happened to the part of us not getting muddy?
I'm not muddy yet. Just my feet. I only broke the tree.
Beth hurt nature. She broke it in half. This is my cat. She doesn't want you. My other cat is on the other part of the tree.
It's a bridge.
Did she just get you wet?
Yeah.
Okay, moving on.
Dolly. What?
Moving on, the cat has been saved.
America hat.
Yep, it's beautiful.
No!
It's ready to make an expedition. This is a clod of dirt. That's Beth. Dirt,
No, I'm Katie.
Beth. Dirt, Beth. Cat. Other cat. Our cats are like dogs. They follow us like dogs. Best try not to fall. Or get her boot stuck. Because she knows what happened last time our boot got stuck. It got stuck and we had to pull it out. And we almost lost the boot.
Then your dad had to hose me off.
Yep.
And you off.
It was much warmer though.
It's a rock. No, it's not.
It's dirt. Dirt!
Look like
You should poke the skull and see if there's anything under it. Rabbit, maybe? It has pretty vicious
I don't
teeth
think that's
for
a
a rabbit.
Ew. Where's the rest of its body?
It got decomposed. Look at the mushrooms in the...
Oh!
Oh, don't fling it at me.
This is the mushroom we found. Pretty intense.
Mushroom you found.
Look at that mushroom, baby. It's like iridescent. Look at it.
Iridescent means to glow.
Oh, well,
light.
it looks like it could glow.
We have found cars. Which way?
Hmm?
Which way? We shouldn't stand on the cars.
Why not?
Because if they're rusty and we fall through, we'd get tetanus.
True. I'm gonna climb.